अस्सलाम वालेकुम। पीएनवाई पिंक से मैं हुस्ना खान फिर हाजिर हूँ एक नए गेस्ट और एक नए टॉपिक को लेकर। पीएनवाई पिंक is specially designed for the female who want to pursue their career in the field of IT, makeup or a beautician kind of a courses, so they can contact PNY Pink representative for get registered. It's a parent companies PNY group of companies which are holding this entity. लेकिन हमारी जो PNY पिंक सीरीज है, दिस सीरीज आर स्पेशली डेडिकेटेड टू फीमेल, एम्पावरिंग टू फीमेल, बट we are not pointing out any male or any kind of a gender and not think about to hurt their sentiment. We are just discussing the issues, और वो किसी के साथ भी हो सकते हैं, वो मेरे इशू हो सकते हैं, वो आपके इशू हो सकते हैं, और उसको सिर्फ हाईलाइट कर बात करना है और ओपिनियन लेना है लोगों की। तो इसी के साथ मेरी बहुत 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 प्यारी गेस्ट जिनको मैं इनवाइट करूंगी, मदिहा खान को। अस्सलाम वालेकुम मदिहा, कैसी हैं आप?
Walaikum Assalam Hasna and Assalamu alaikum everyone. And thanks to PNY Trainings and thanks to PNY Pink Initiative as well to having me here.
अगर मैं बात करूं मदिहा की, तो व्हेन आई वाज कनेक्टिंग विद मदिहा, तो आई डोंट नो अबाउट हर, दिस इज द वेरी, आपको सबका नहीं पता होता, मुझे नहीं पता था। तो व्हेन आई वाज कनेक्टिंग टू हर, आई टॉक टू हर एंड देन वी आर इन द इनिशियल process of our selection the topic, and there's lots of activity we have to perform. After that, when जब इनका फ्लायर बना और मैंने इनका फ्लायर पोस्ट किया अपने सर्कल के अंदर, तो हेयर अबाउट के, यार ये तो बड़ी अच्छी बन रही है, तो बहुत अच्छा काम करी, शी इज अ लाइफ कोच, ट्रेनर, और पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में भी बहुत अच्छी है। तो बहुत अच्छा कि आपने इन्हें इनवाइट किया है, एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड इट, क्योंकि ये इस तरह के प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ रही है। तो आई वाज लाइक अच्छा, फिर आई वाज थिंकिंग, मैंने इनके थोड़ा सा पढ़ा, मैंने थोड़ा सा इनकी प्रोफाइल इन्होंने मुझे भेजी, मैंने वो पढ़ी। तो माशाल्लाह काफी अच्छा काम कर रही हैं, और मेन इनका जो कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग के ऊपर ये काम कर रही हैं, और लोग इनके साथ कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं और काफी अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। मदिहा, सबसे पहले हम टॉपिक पर तो जाएंगे, लेकिन सबसे पहले हम आपकी स्टोरी जानेंगे, क्योंकि बीइंग अ फीमेल, आप ट्रेनर हैं, आप लाइफ कोच हैं, और आप इतना ज्यादा काम कर रही है इतनी सी एज के ऊपर। ये स्टोरी सुनाएं कि कहाँ से आपको इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है इन इन चीजों को करने की, डिग्री क्या थी, कैसे स्टार्ट किया, और आपके सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन क्या है जो आपको मोटिवेट करता है ये सब चीजें करने के लिए। तो प्लीज, वी आर वेरी मच क्यूरियस, आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस टू to know about your story, how did you do it all these things in your...
All right, sure. Thank you so much, Husna, for all the appreciation, and thank you for everyone for giving the feedback to Husna about my profile. So basically, I'm working in professional field for last 12 years, and my academic background is I'm a business graduate. So I have done my MBA and I have done my bachelor's in business administration as well. So before that, the inspiration, I think it was always there that I want to do something, and everyone in this life shall do something. And
Yeah.
it depends what they want to do and how you can be self aware. So this is how my journey started. I knew that, there is a bigger purpose in life. And first of all, we shall find it. Because initially हम लोगों को नहीं पता होता कि what is the meaning of life, what we want to do, and especially when we are into schooling. And this is where we are going to focus as well today, because we are having so many students in our audience, that how you can basically think and reflect back about your life and to set the goals while you are into schooling age or you are going to university and later you enter into corporate world, or if you want to go into your own business. So I believe this have been the opportunities, and I would like to I'm definitely grateful for my family, for my friends, for my teachers especially, and all the opportunities I got or I went for them. So it is like some opportunities come on your way, but for some opportunities you have to go after them. So
Yeah.
you just need to choose that what you want to do. So I'm grateful for all of those opportunities. And yes, there have been times that once I found my passion, so then I knew that I want to turn it into the profession as well. And there have been so many cases that where there were no opportunities, but then we say कि जहाँ पर लगन होती है तो you find the way.
बिल्कुल
And
बिल्कुल।
yes, तो उसमें ये है कि जब आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती, so you shall think कि आप अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट कैसे कर सकते हैं. एंड आई थिंक वो एक बहुत मेन मेरे लिए सोर्स ऑफ मोटिवेशन एंड इंस्पिरेशन रहा, which kept me going, that okay, I shall do something. If something is not working, what alternate ways I can go for. So it is like
Yeah.
आपकी एक destination होती है life में, and you can use different ways to go to it. So this is what I have explored. And yes, I would like to also, I'm thankful that I got into IT industry, and this was by choice as well, and
Mm-hmm.
like, by chance too. So basically, because I like technology is part of our life. So I knew
बिल्कुल.
that something which we shall do, it shall be around technology. And this is why I got into information technology sector, and I start working as a project manager. And here I got this opportunity to work with people, lots of people.
Yeah.
And then I call it people empowerment. So it's not only the project which you are managing or some product or service, but it's about the people whom you are going to interact, and the clients whom you are going to offer your services. So from there, my this journey kept evolving, that I shall become a trainer. So,
Yeah.
and then becoming a mentor into this same domain, and later on to become a coach. So yes, this is why, these are all the things which I'm doing. And since all of them are aligned with my purpose
Yeah.
and passion, so that is why this diversity, I can, combine it, and I can serve people at the massive level.
Oh, wow. Then this is very tremendous, and this is very beautiful thing you are doing, because I think in this era in which we are living right now, we need to think about it, the people psychology, because there is a lots of people, there is a lots of brain moods, expressions, and how to tackle. This is the very emotion important part of our life. पहले के ज़माने में मेंटल हेल्थ और इन चीज़ों के बारे में वी आर नॉट so much open. People are think it's a stigma kind of a thing. Now people are more vocal about it. They are vocal about their career choices. They want to become this, that, everything. Each girl, even you're a girl, you have your own choices, and they are proud that they are selected these choices. So these are kind of a thing, and you are doing, mashallah, mashallah, very good, very good. Allah bless you. सो नाउ
Thank
कमिंग
you.
टुवर्ड आवर टॉपिक, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है, मैं अपनी ऑडियंस से कहूंगी कि हमारा आज का टॉपिक जो है वो इसी सेंसिटिविटी को देखते हुए कि क्यों, व्हाई नेटवर्क बिल्डिंग इज सो मच इम्पोर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ, बिकॉज इन आवर एकेडमिक लाइफ, I was talking about to the Madhya before coming to our session. If you have a network, or if you have a godfather, so you are good. But if you don't have any kind of these thing, you need to scratch from the zero, and still you do very hard work. Hard, no doubt कि people are very much hard working, but still कि वो एक पॉइंट होता है ना, वहां पर पहुंच ही नहीं रहे होते, एंड दे आर क्लूलेस कि व्हाई वी आर पुटिंग सो मच एफर्ट, बट स्टिल वी आर अंडरपेड, वी आर अंडर प्रमोशन, एंड दीज काइंड ऑफ एन इशू. सो मदिया, हम अपने टॉपिक की तरफ चलते हैं कि प्लीज share your thought about why network building is so much important, not in the professional life, in personal life, each phase of your life. And after pandemic, it's more important that those who have more network, they are more connected with the people, so they pass this 6 month very well. And those who are alone and they have a different kind of an issues we have so please.
Sure. All right. So thank you, Usna. Yes, basically, this networking is very important, and it is part of our life, regardless it is personal and professional. So everything which I'm going to talk about, I definitely want to make sure कि जो भी हम बात कर रहे हैं, वो we can apply into personal life and professional life,
Yeah.
because knowledge is only like it becomes power when you are going to implement into your life. So जब हम networking की बात आती है, so why it is important, as I was talking about my journey as well, कि जहाँ पर एक time आता है कि आपको opportunities create करनी होती हैं खुद से, rather
बिल्कुल.
you are just looking for them and you are going to find them very easily. So that is where this networking can play in. And yes, networking can also help you to connect with people who are experienced, जिनका ज़्यादा exposure है और वो उसी domain में है जिसमें आप भी काम करना चाहते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So that way you can also find the mentor across the world, and thanks to social media, like हमारी generations के पास social media है जिसके through we can connect not only within Pakistan but all over the world with anyone, and
Mhm.
we can speak like with them. And even now, like language is not a barrier even, so people can always like converse well with each other. You can talk, you can type, and you can send a message. And this visibility is there because once your profile is on social media, so then this other person knows that okay, who you are, what are you doing, and why would you like to connect with someone. सो यस, एंड हमारी लाइफ में डेफिनेटली पॉइंट्स आते हैं जहाँ पे हमें क्लैरिटी नहीं मिलती है, एंड आई बिलीव वहां पे भी आपको नेटवर्किंग इस तरह से हेल्प कर सकती है कि जब आपको नहीं पता कि ओके व्हाट यू वांट टू डू एंड व्हाट हैपेंस, दिस इज बेसिकली ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी, एंड इस पर आई एम गोइंग
Yeah.
टू टॉक इन सिंपल वर्ड्स मेनली कि जब हम किसी भी लेट्स से किसी चैलेंज में हैं, इट इज सम प्रॉब्लम इशू, और इफ वी
Mhm.
वांट टू मेक अ डिसीजन, सो वी आर जस्ट थिंकिंग एंड वी आर नॉट फाइंडिंग अ वे, क्योंकि ह्यूमन
Yes.
साइकोलॉजी ये है कि ओके यू विल गो बैक इनटू सर्कल्स, यू विल नॉट फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन. सो that is why it is important that you can talk to someone else whom you can trust, and let's say someone who is a counselor who is into this role of coaching or mentoring, and then you can discuss with them that this is the matter you are facing and how this person can help you.
Yeah.
So that is where this networking is going to give you the help. And okay, so now when we were talking about the student life, so
Yes.
अभी तो जो हमने एग्जांपल दी, ओके, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में यू कैन फिगर आउट कि आपके कोई भी इश्यूज हैं, यू कैन डिस्कस विद समवन, and let's say you want to work on something, and you can find out okay, who else is working on it, and if you are having any questions, you can always connect with them and you can get the guidance. And also when it comes to this students, so students sometimes they do not know what they want to do, right?
Yes.
So in terms of making those choices, they can also focus on the networking, because yes, in schools and colleges we are studying, we are focusing on the books, we are focusing on the curricular activities among different colleges. Let's say if there are any competitions which are happening across different colleges among the schools, but it's like still your circle is like limited. Let's say you are just in one region and you are speaking with colleges in the same region. So what you can do that you can also focus on networking, and आपको उस networking का फायदा ये होगा, you can always connect with the corporate world. Let's say someone wants to become engineer, so you can always speak to some engineers who are already practicing in some company. And let's say if you want to go into oil and gas sector, or maybe you want to go into energy sector, you can start let's say seeing those profiles on different social media. LinkedIn is one of them. There are some people who are active on, let's say, using let's say Facebook pages,
Yes.
their company pages are set. And then, like, there is a lot big range of social media. There are some people who are active on Twitter as well.
Yes.
So this
Yes.
is where you can connect with them, and so if they are like-minded people, so they are going to help you in a way कि जब आप उनका प्रोफाइल भी देख रहे हैं, आप उनको फॉलो कर रहे हैं, एंड आप देख रहे हैं कि उनकी क्या एक्टिविटीज है and what they are working on. So it is going to help you to get the clarity that what do you want to do, and like how it can like you can utilize whatsoever things they are doing. So this is what that can help you once you are transitioning from college life to a professional life.
Yeah. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि देखें, जैसे कि जब एक बच्चा यूनिवर्सिटी में जाता है, हम यूनिवर्सिटी की बात करेंगे क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ पे आप करें मैट्रिक या ए ओ लेवल्स, मैट्रिक इंटर हो गया, ए ओ लेवल्स के बाद तो काम करने का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं, बिकॉज वी आर सो मच प्रोटेक्टिव, सिचुएशंस भी कुछ ऐसी हैं, वी आर सो मच प्रोटेक्टिव के पढ़ाई खत्म करने के बाद ही जॉब करने ये करने, बट दैट ईयर, ये यूनिवर्सिटी टाइम जो होता है वो बड़ा क्रूशियल ईयर होता है फॉर द लर्निंग पर्सपेक्टिव। तो आपको क्या लगता है कि उसमें नेटवर्किंग बिल्ड करने की, जैसे आपने सोशल मीडिया बताया, बट student are on Facebook or their other site like TikTok, but they are not on the professional platform which are going to help them in their professional life. So what is your thought about how can they build good network in their university life, and what are the ways to build those networks except of the
Okay.
social media or the other offline platform if available, or
Yes.
they can opt it?
Right. Okay. So Husna, as far as I understand your question, it is we are going to focus that how on site we can build the
Yeah.
networking, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. So let's say if we are talking about the university students, so what they can do, the domain which they want to pick on, they can always see that what other universities are doing, and they can always do this campaign drive, campus drive within
Mhm.
their own university. That who are the people who are interested into a certain technology. Let's say if we are taking this topic of artificial intelligence or data
Yes.
science, so they can see that okay, who are the students which are interested to take a career towards data science, and then they can make their groups that way. And what they can do, that they can also choose a topic that what is happening in currently in the industry. So they can always see that what are the trends. They can speak to their professors and teachers, instructors there, that okay, what is the trend, what is going to be the future once we are going to graduate, let's say after 3 years, 5 years, and what we shall focus on. And this is what like they can do. They can have this monthly meetups if they want, like it can be weekly, bi-weekly, quarterly. So basically the cadence shall be there. So
Mhm.
once this group is formed, they shall have these regular meetings. जो भी इंटरवल इन लोगों ने चूज करना है स्टूडेंट्स वो कर सकते हैं. और उसमें once when they have done it within their own university, within their own campus, they can invite other campus students as well. They can also invite the experts, industry experts. Let's say some people who are working into corporate world, आप उनको अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी में बुला सकते हैं on site for the networking. That is another way that you can do it. And you can always ask your professors to let's say share their researches, any results and any findings. And yes, maybe like now it depends that which university they are working in. So if there are any research opportunities, they can also align for that. And it depends that either it is part of their course or it is in addition to their course as well. So these are certain examples which they can do. And regardless, like if we are putting social media on other sites, so this is how it can be done. And
Okay.
many companies are doing it that way, that they
Mhm.
are, let's say, fostering and building the graduates in a way that whatever technologies companies are providing, they are giving the education to
Mhm.
students so that later they can hire them. So it is like they are basically making this future force ready overall.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
kind of a boot camp that companies are
Yes.
now are settling up, and there's an incubation sector kind of a thing. But
Yes.
uh,
These are certain options.
my next question is like mid-career professional. There
Mhm.
is a kind of a, I think there, because our youngsters did think, our parents did think कि if they get a job in one company, they stick to that company, और वो सब दरवाजे बंद हो गए हैं बस, अब उससे बाहर नहीं जाना, बस सुबह 9 बजे जाना है, 6 बजे वापस आना है, काम करके वो एक क्लोज जो आपकी गैदरिंग है उसी के अंदर आप रोमिंग अराउंड कर रहे हैं, बस उससे मिलिए उससे मिल के. बट नाउ the thing has been changed. Now we are in the digital transformation. So what are your thought about the mid career professional, or those who have 4 to 5 year experience, what they do? Still they are doing a job,
All
still they
right.
are still they are doing a job, and they should think about this network building activity or their importance in their professional and how much they will help them out.
Okay, so basically, यहाँ पर again we will first start with this human psychology, that there are people who would like to stay into a comfort zone, and which is fine. It depends if it doesn't become a challenge for them, or जो भी उनके life के goals हैं, if they are meeting those goals and they are happy and satisfied with it, they can choose to keep it as it is. And the people who are going into, let's say, this the people who are ready to take changes and challenges, and they thrive on those changes. So it's like we call them like people who would like to, let's say, just keep experimenting, and they go out, they meet people, they network well, and they always see that what is going on, because this is where they feel comfortable. So that is their comfort zone, that's how they want to do it. So yes, there are people who want to stay into one company across all their life, and there are some people who would like to work in the same company across different departments, or they are going to change, let's say, the companies where they are working. And now even it depends that we are not only talking about the corporate world, that people are only switching the jobs. We can also talk about the people who are into business and the people who are entrepreneurs, that they come up with different products and services as well. And if they want, they can choose to switch on those products and services to take the exposure. So for them, it depends that what kind of networking they would like to do, and how they can do it. So again, it's like you can go into the same industry if you are into a startup. So you can network with those people. You can speak to the incubation centers as well and see that what is happening there. And the same ways goes with the people who are working, let's say, in the same environment, in the same like office employer, or if it is the same business, that what they can do, they can also have networking within their own company, and also see that they shall again have certain events. And now, because we were just having this COVID times, so
Yeah.
everything is moved towards virtual as well. So we are not talking about only the events which networking events which can take place only in person, but they can take place also virtually. And again, you can like connect with the world that way. So these
Yeah.
are the, there are so many networking options. It depends that why someone would like to go for networking. But overall, it depends, because like what happens that sometimes we are just working and sitting in one place, and after a
Yes.
few years we realize, okay, we want a change. And now when we want to change, we do not know whom to speak, because in, let's say, 5 years, we never networked anywhere. So we do not know which groups to speak, which people to speak. And then, like, I have seen people who just, let's say, use their social media when there is a need. And that is like, maybe yearly basis, maybe like, after every 6 months, if they just want to connect for a certain message. So of course for them, it can be challenges, that how they can make sure that they are available and accessible, and they would like to network with other people. So this is why I always say that consistency is the key, that the things you want to focus on, you shall collaborate well, you should network well, and you shall connect and keep your retain your networking as well. So आप अपने connections को alive रखें. You can always send them greetings time to time, and just drop a message sometimes, like, hi, how are you doing? I hope everything is good. And in my coaching profession, I have seen this, that like people appreciate this a lot, and there are so many people
Hmm.
who just say that, like, when someone contacts me and just say them hello, that okay, I was thinking about you, like, of course this is like a professional language which you are talking about, so I'm just sharing this context, and they feel appreciated about it. That okay, like, our networking is there, and there are people whom I can look for.
Yeah.
So this matters here.
Yeah. Now my next question is the what is the personality we हम ये बहुत ज्यादा सुनते हैं कि मैं इस वजह से ज्यादा लोगों से नहीं कर सकता कि मैं बहुत इंट्रोवर्ट हूँ. So what is the role of
Okay.
introvert and extrovert personality over the network? Because ये एक बहुत ज्यादा होता है कि जो लोग बात नहीं कर पाते या if they are not communicate with the people, so they blame their personality type कि we are introvert, that's why we हमारा कोई network नहीं है. So what do you think, because you are a life coach, you are dealing with the people, so does it matter, or those who are introvert can overcome this kind of a fear or a thing like
Mhm.
that? So please.
All right, sure. Okay, so yes, there are studies which I'm going to refer you overall, and so what happens? Like, you can always find those studies too. So what happens? Yes, there are people who are introvert and extrovert, and if you see, basically, like, these concepts came from 16 personalities.
Hmm.
So one can always go and study it online. That if some person is introvert or extrovert, so it is like a certain percentage. So it's
Yes.
not absolute 100% extrovert or introvert. So the 16 personality test, which everyone can take if they want, it
Yes.
is freely available online, and I will share the link with you so we can post it into our
Yes.
session as well. Yes.
Yeah.
So it's like either you are, let's say your results will be like 60% introvert, 40% extrovert. It can even change. So there are so many introvert people who are public speakers, and I know some of the coaches and trainers who are having this niche market that they are just giving trainings that how some introvert person can become a public speaker. So
Mm-hmm.
ये लोगों को realize करने की जरूरत है, and like if they want to improve something about them, so I
Mm-hmm.
will say कि देखें आपको change होने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आप introvert हैं, you can stay introvert all your life, and
Mm-hmm.
कुछ चीजों में आप extrovert हो सकते हैं, but अगर आपकी major personality introvert है, you can keep it as it is. बट इट डजंट मीन कि जो इंट्रोवर्ट लोग होते हैं उनमें कॉन्फिडेंस कम होता है, या वो शाय होते हैं, या वो कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर सकते.
Mm-hmm.
तो लोगों को ये रियलाइज करने की जरूरत है कि लेट्स से कि अगर मुझे लगता है कि ओके मैं कम्युनिकेट नहीं अच्छा कर सकती, तो इट मीन्स मैं इंट्रोवर्ट हूँ. सो
Yes.
नहीं, मैं एक्सट्रोवर्ट भी हो सकती हूँ, लेकिन हो सकता है कि मैं फिर भी कम्युनिकेट ना करूँ, मे बी आई फील शाय. सो नाउ इट डिपेंड्स कि आप अपनी लाइफ में क्या करना चाह रहे हैं. सो
Mm-hmm.
आप अकॉर्डिंगली अपने उन गोल्स को देखें, और अगर आपको लगता है उसमें आपको पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की जरूरत है, तो येस यू कैन ऑलवेज गेट सर्टेन ट्रेनिंग. एंड इंट्रोवर्ट एक्सट्रोवर्ट लोगों की जो हमारी डेफिनेशन है ओवरऑल साइंटिफिक एज पर द रिसर्च, वो इसी तरीके से है कि ओके एक्सट्रोवर्ट पीपल बहुत ज्यादा सोशलाइज करते हैं,
Mm-hmm.
इंट्रोवर्ट पीपल भी सोशलाइज करते हैं, लेकिन इनका जो एक डिफरेंस होता है वो ये होता है कि उनका एक बहुत क्लोजर ग्रुप होता है,
Yes.
जिनसे वो हर बात कर सकते हैं, जिनके साथ वो कंफर्टेबल होते हैं, विच इज फाइन. वी रिस्पेक्ट दैट what is your model of world and how comfortable you are, and provided that you are giving us equal respect, and we are also comfortable with your model of world that way. So of course जहाँ पे भी human interaction आता है उसमें mutual respect बहुत जरूरी होती है. And
Mm-hmm.
I always say that understand the differences and respect them, and then accept them as well. And yes, you can always find a win-win once you know that you are self-aware. So okay, so I'll give you this one personal example from my life that I even if you would have seen, Husna, that I was talking to you, so I just sent you a phone call, or
Yes.
maybe I sent you audio message. So rather,
Yeah.
I was not typing much. So
Yes.
let's say this is something in my personality that I do not text a lot, and
Yes.
but I send audio message because I feel that is let's say it saves time, it gives the message timely, and जो भी इसका context है वो भी clear
और
हो जाता है.
और
And
डबल मीनिंग बातें
yeah,
करते हैं.
यस यस ऑफ कोर्स. और उसमें उसमें लेट्स से कि अगर आप हुस्ना आप कंफर्टेबल हैं सिर्फ टेक्स्ट पर, सो आई सेड कि ठीक है हुस्ना आप टेक्स्ट कर लें, मैं आपको ऑडियो मैसेज भेजती हूँ क्योंकि मैं ऑडियो में कंफर्टेबल हूँ. सो दैट
बिल्कुल.
वे वी बोथ फाउंड आवर विन विन, जहाँ पर मैं भी कंफर्टेबल हूँ, जहाँ पर हुस्ना भी कंफर्टेबल है.
बिल्कुल.
तो
बिल्कुल.
इस तरह से आप लोग अपनी लाइफ में कर सकते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट यू कैन ऑलवेज इम्प्लीमेंट एट योर वर्क प्लेस, इवन इन योर इन योर पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, वेयर एवर यू आर इंटरेक्टिंग. तो और ये बहुत माइनर एग्जांपल्स हैं, क्योंकि अक्सर अक्सर लोग ये कंप्लेन करते हैं कि ओके आई वाज कॉलिंग यू एंड यू डिडंट कॉल मी बैक, और यू डिडंट पिक इट अप, और यू डिडंट इवन मैसेज, बिकॉज इट डिपेंड्स कि वो पर्सन किस तरह से कंफर्टेबल है. और ये हमारी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में भी ऐसे ही होता है कि हम किस वक्त चीजें कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि कम्युनिकेशन इज द की. And then that is what we can find, and accordingly once we know that someone is introvert extrovert, you can choose to stay as it is, provided this is going to serve you, और कोई भी ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो कि आपको होल्ड बैक कर रही हो इन इस वजह से. so that is where you can work on.
ये अब मेरा
Yeah.
एक अगला क्वेश्चन फीमेल्स के लिए कि हम जब अपने स्कूल में होते हैं, व्हेन वी आर इन अ कॉलेज, इन अ यूनिवर्सिटी, वी हैव अ गुड गैंग, गर्ल्स गैंग, एंड दोस नाउ पार्टी एंड थिंग, बट नाउ वी आर
Correct.
गेटिंग मैरिड, तो दो दैट गर्ल गैंग इज सब अपनी अपनी जगह पे चलते हैं एंड कनेक्ट. अब तो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप आ गया, तो नाउ वी आर रिकनेक्टेड विद आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द थिंग्स एंड मेमोराइज द थिंग्स. ओके, लेकिन आपको क्या लगता है कि ये कितना ज्यादा जरूरी है फीमेल्स, क्योंकि मेल्स तो कहीं ना कहीं नेटवर्क बिल्ड कर लेते हैं, लेकिन फीमेल्स के शादी के बाद बहुत ज्यादा नेटवर्क स्क्वीज हो जाता है, या आपके
Mhm.
पास टाइम नहीं है, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि उनके लिए कितनी ज्यादा जरूरत है? इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ थेरेप्यूटिक टू टॉक टू your friends and discuss the issues, not the general talk. It's not about, it's
Yes,
not always about the issues, it's always about the, sometimes
it's
you
just a
want some,
talk, let's say.
yeah,
Yeah.
just hello, how are you, kaisi ho. So what
Yes,
is your opinion?
definitely. Okay, all right. So yes, in my circle, there are friends and family members who moved, let's say, to different countries, to different time zones, and some got married, and then they are busy in their routine. They are busy with their children. So उसमें
Yeah.
I will say कि it is good कि आप लोग अपने networks को हमेशा intact रखें, और उसमें again it's about कि आप अगले को space भी दें, understand करें कि okay, so if you know that so let's say I have a friend, and her kids sleep at 8 p.m., right? So then we know that okay, whenever we want to meet her, we will ask her that okay, anytime in morning we can meet, or anytime over the weekend.
Yeah.
And yes, though in weekdays, if we are working, then there is the weekend where we can find a time, or we can talk, we can meet, we can have a video conversation. So this is how we can connect with our friends. And again, when it comes to time zones, so उसमें भी आप of course you can find a certain time slots कि जहाँ पर आप बात कर सके, and you shall know कि अच्छा उनकी क्या routine है. Let's say कि they are working there, so of course they will be busy, and still you can always drop a message, you can always send them a voice note, video note, whatsoever you are comfortable with, and whatsoever technology is allowing you. So even if you want to email, it depends कि हम लोग देयर वाज अ टाइम जहाँ पर हम लोग ईमेल्स के थ्रू कम्युनिकेट करते थे लोगों के साथ, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. एंड नेटवर्किंग इसलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि when you are sitting in one place all the time, you are living into one place, and there are certain people whom you are interacting, let's say your family members, the one who are staying with you. So it gives you, like when you are talking to friends, and let's say आपके कोई cousins hain, koi family members and relatives hain, which are other than the ones who are living at your home, they are anywhere in the world. So when you connect with them, so the change is good, and again it is very this empathetic, and it gives you this like very nice sense that okay, you belong, right? And that's why it's good that you are always experimenting and experiencing this this changes as well. Or even let's say if there are people whom you cannot connect by for any reason, you can go out, like of your home, you can make friends there, you can go for let's say shopping malls anywhere. And it's like experience which you are giving to yourself, and the self care is very important, and this is even good for mental health. So let's say if you are going for a walk in morning, evening, you are going to the gym, at least you are seeing people, because there are so many people who are living alone. So we can also consider them as well, that how they can, if they are missing their families, and let's say their families are into other time zone, because this is how even I have
Yeah.
spent 1 year that I was living in another time zone for 1 year. So I used to miss all this time and the talks with my family, and we had to set up a time to talk. So of course, usme ye tha ki I wanted, okay, let's say the people around I can talk to even. So yes, then we network, and that is where it helps you. And this is how life goes on, and we make it more meaningful, provided we are comfortable into it as well. Yeah.
Yeah. मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन ये है कि ना कई दफा होता है कि वी और एवरीवन इज सफरिंग इन देयर लाइफ, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ सफरिंग होती हैं, कोई डिप्रेशन होते हैं, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि इस तरह की कम्युनिटीज अवेलेबल हैं जहाँ पर लोग जाकर अपनी बात कर सकते हैं? कई दफा ये होता है कि घर वाले उस तरीके से समझ नहीं रहे होते, तो हाउ कैन दे
Mhm.
कनेक्ट एंड दे टॉक अबाउट देयर इश्यूज? बिकॉज कई अब तो काफी चीजें बदल गई हैं, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी पॉजिटिव चेंज कि पीपल गो टू द life coaches and psychologists to talk about their issues, and they these are kind of a therapies are they recommend them. But what do you
Yeah.
think about it, any kind of a suffering? So how much if you have a network, or if anyone जैसे बाहर बहुत होता है, हम ये देखते हैं, आई सॉ इन द डॉक्यूमेंट्री, कि अगर किसी के बच्चे को कोई स्पेसिफिक डिजीज है तो वो उसकी
Mhm.
कम्युनिटी बिल्ड कर लेते हैं, कि उसी तरह के
Yeah.
पेरेंट्स जो है वो इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं, दे टॉक अबाउट कि हमारे बच्चे का ये है. सो उनकी वो जो टेंशन होती है ये उसको रिलीज करने का एक बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटी है. कैंसर पेशेंट्स की अपनी कम्युनिटी, एंड दे गो दे मीट द. तो पाकिस्तान के अंदर इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज हो रही हैं या होनी चाहिए? आपका क्या व्यू?
Okay, so I definitely agree, Husna, ये होनी चाहिए है. And क्योंकि उसमें ये है कि लेट्स से जिस हम ये बात कर रहे थे, एंड आई सो अग्री के देयर आर सो मेनी डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज एंड इवन आई नो सर्टेन सेंटर्स लेट्स से आउट ऑफ पाकिस्तान, सो जहाँ पर अगर लाइक सम चिल्ड्रन आर हैविंग सम डिजीज, तो उनके पेरेंट्स की एक कम्युनिटी और उन चिल्ड्रन की एक कम्युनिटी है। और उसका रीजन ये होता है कि जो पेरेंट्स ऑलरेडी अपने बच्चों का ट्रीटमेंट करवा रहे हैं, दे कैन ऑलवेज शेयर कि क्या बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस हैं जो कि दूसरे पेरेंट्स को हेल्प कर सकते हैं, एंड वो अपनी सफरिंग शेयर करते हैं, वो अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करते हैं, और फिर उसमें ऑफ कोर्स आपको एक मोरल सपोर्ट मिलती है।
बिल्कुल।
एंड जिस तरह से हमारी लाइक ओके हमारी लाइक सोसाइटी में भी चैलेंजेस हैं,
बिल्कुल।
एंड समटाइम्स ये होता है कि ओके वी कैन नॉट लाइक वी डू नॉट फील कंफर्टेबल टू टॉक विद आवर फैमिली,
यस।
and even I like one of my clients approached me, and like it was a female, and she was like, Madia, if I will talk to my family, maybe they will blame me, right, कि आप ज़्यादा responsible हैं, जो भी है आपकी गलती है, and everything that way. So but उसमें ये था कि okay, then we had this talk, and I was like no, trust your parents, right, and like you can have a talk, and Allah का शुक्र है कि she spoke and she got the support. So she was just afraid कि पता नहीं parents क्या कहेंगे, क्या होगा,
या
and like she was having her challenges and she wanted to talk about it.
या
So initially I was in contact with her, and I like हम लोग इस conclusion पे थे कि okay, you shall talk to your family members. It can be anyone in your family जहाँ पर आप comfortable हैं. And then eventually she talked to her parents, and she is so relieved. And because this is what I even said that okay, देखें अगर आप नहीं बात करेंगे तो you do not know, you will
यस।
not find out कि आपके पेरेंट्स आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं या नहीं सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, एंड वो
यस।
आपको क्या रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, बट आप उनसे बात करके देखें, आप लाइक ट्राई तो करें. एंड इवेंचुअली शी डिड, एंड नाउ अल्लाह के शुक्र एवरीथिंग इज गुड, एंड वी फील ब्लेस्ड कि like we were there to support each other that way. एंड इस तरह से पाकिस्तान में भी कम्युनिटीज होनी चाहिए हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी on Facebook as well, and I believe this is why some people know me. So I'm part of this Women in Tech Pakistan group, and which is like so right now अब जितने भी Facebook पे groups हैं, most of them are like उन पे काफी अच्छी quality है. There is good admin
या
control as well.
यस।
Yes.
यस। यस।
And even yeah, I'm working as a mentor, and so many people have connected me. So what happens that someone is sharing a post, and we give our input on this post, which everyone can read into that group. And out of that, because people knew that I am NLP coach, that is neuro linguistic programming coach, and like being life coach, so some people
यस।
contacted me one to one. And of course they were having certain challenges which they were not comfortable to talk about it publicly, or if they are having this, let's say, anxiety or depression. So लोगों के लिए ये एक्सेप्ट करना भी मुश्किल होता है, बट वी आर सीइंग दिस चेंज कि अब मेंटल हेल्थ को भी लोग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट समझ रहे हैं, और ये डेफिनेटली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और उसमें यह है कि आप उसके बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. तो पीपल हैव contacted me. There are 2-3 groups where I'm like active, and I always share this let's say this best opinion based on the research and the trainings which I have received, the research which I have gone through, and
यस।
I always make sure, and this is my advice to everyone on the social media as well, okay, even when you are networking on certain groups, so you can always see that what is this person is sending when this person is giving some input. So because like most of my like profile and posts are accessible to everyone, they are like public, and so people know that okay, I'm a coach, I have like certain feedback from people,
यस।
what is the like reviews, and then they know okay, these are my certain qualifications as well. So the things which I'm saying, I own them. Definitely, if someone is having a question, I respond to them accordingly. And then the one thing which is very important in coaching, consulting, and training, these domains, it depends that what this other person
यस।
wants to talk about is that we respect and we maintain their privacy and keep this
यस।
information confidential. Yes, that's the thing. So
यस।
this is very important. And yeah, and what happens that we always give this message that make your support system. So networking system shall be there, your support system shall be there. It can be your friends, family, it can be your colleagues, it can be anyone. जहाँ पर आप लोग क्या कहते हैं ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं, दिस रिस्पेक्ट एलिमेंट इज देयर एंड यू नो दैट these are the people you can count on.
Yeah. Okay.
I hope it helps. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. This is my last question कि अगर हम नेटवर्क बिल्डिंग की बात करें, so what kind of a limitation कि हर एक को समझना चाहिए और सोचना चाहिए, क्योंकि देखिए नेटवर्किंग करते वक्त भी कुछ ना कुछ लिमिटेशन हर रिलेशनशिप में होती है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट के रिलेशनशिप, हमारे यहाँ पे रिलेशनशिप का मतलब होता है लड़का और लड़की का रिलेशनशिप कहलाता है, बाकी रिलेशनशिप नहीं कहलाता. आई डोंट नो
Yeah,
कि
working
कौन लोग,
relations and
हाँ,
yeah.
ये पता नहीं ये डेफिनेशन कौन लोग लिखते हैं, मुझे आज तक समझ नहीं आया. किसी को मिले तो प्लीज मुझे बता दे, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ पे अगर रिलेशनशिप की बात करते तो वहां चली जाती, कहते नहीं नहीं भाई. तो कि any relationship से what kind of a limitation कि everyone need to follow and understand while doing the networking या building a network, so कि
Mhm.
आपकी अपनी जो एक प्राइवेसी और इंटीमेसी है वो भी बरकरार रहे और दूसरा जो है
Yes.
वो एक लेवल भी रहे. तो प्लीज.
Okay, all right. So इसमें yes, now it depends that whether into you are into university, you are into corporate world, and जहाँ पे भी आप network कर रहे हैं, either you are networking to have a mentor, to have a coach, or you are just let's say connecting with like-minded people, and even if you are going into networking events on site, so
Yes.
we are going to talk about both, like on site and virtual events.
Yes.
So first of all, that do not spam those people that way.
Mhm.
Let's say कि आप अगर किसी से online मिलें, then you are contacting them, provided that आपके पास उनकी information थी. Let's say आपके पास उनका email हो सकता है, क्योंकि sometimes we get the group messages where our numbers are visible, but of
Yes.
course इस पे भी अब privacy checks आ रहे हैं कि numbers या email IDs shall kept confidential. और लेट्स से
Mhm.
कि अगर एक ग्रुप भी बना हुआ है तो पीपल कैन टॉक टू ईच अदर, बी इट व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, बी इट लिंक्डइन ग्रुप, and be it Facebook group, so we can always see that who is who, what that person is doing. So उसमें एक तो आप डेफिनेटली ख्याल रखेंगे जब आप अपने ही लेट्स से टाइम जोन में हैं, उसका भी ख्याल रखें कि लेट्स से अगर हम लोग if I know that okay, I'm in Pakistan and I want to contact Husna, and Husna is in Pakistan, as per her profile presence that she is there, no matter if she is traveling and she is out of Pakistan. So I shall send her any message into appropriate timings, and usually prefer जब आप प्रोफेशनल से को मैसेज कर रहे हैं आप उनको वीकडेज में करें, एंड
Yes.
यूजुअली आप लेट्स से 9 to 5 या 9 a.m. till 7 p.m. कर लें, which is like usual work hours, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स अगर इवनिंग आवर्स होते हैं जो कि हमारा लाइक मेजोरिटी 9 to 5 टाइमिंग्स में काम कर रही होती है, सो फॉर देम इवनिंग इज देयर फैमिली एंड पर्सनल टाइम.
Yes.
And it depends that how urgent your message is, so always send a very customized message, that and very precise कि आप उनसे क्या पूछना चाहते हैं, why are you talking to them, what is this discussion, and you can always ask them that okay, this is going to take your 5 minutes, can we have a call, or can I send you a message, and please take permission from the other
Yes.
person first. No matter that person is like someone लाइक अब वो आपसे ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है या आपसे कम एक्सपीरियंस है, एज में आपको सबको रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए है. कोई आपसे एज में बड़ा है या अगर कोई आपसे एज में छोटा भी है, क्योंकि प्रोफेशनल फील्ड में हमारे लिए एक्सपीरियंस एंड एक्सपोजर मैटर करता है.
बिल्कुल.
वी डू नॉट सी कि अच्छा अगर किसी की एज हमसे कम है, सो हम उनसे क्या कहते हैं बात कर
रूड
सकते
हो
हैं
जाए.
या इन एनी टोन, सो वी शैल नॉट डू इट, सो
Yeah.
वी शैल ऑलवेज बी
Yes.
रिस्पेक्टफुल. Speak like आप उनको एक मैसेज भेज दें, और like, and yes, most of the time what happens, many people send hi and hello, and that's all. So please know कि like आप हर especially online आप इतना कन्वर्सेशनल नहीं हो सकते, तो yes आप हाय एंड हेलो भेजें, अस्सलाम वालेकुम भेजें, जो भी आप लैंग्वेज यूज कर रहे हैं, इंग्लिश, उर्दू, एंड या उसके साथ आप उनको अपना मैसेज भेजें कि okay, why are you like want to connect to them, and what are you looking, right? So this is very important, time zone को respect करें. And yes, sometimes let's say there are people in Pakistan, let's say, who are working into evening timings, right?
Yes.
And yes, there are people who are working on US campaigns, European campaigns, and so yes, I know, and even I like I had certain projects जहाँ पर हम लोग evening में काम करते थे, late evening में. So let's say if I'm not available in the morning, और अगर मैं किसी को मैसेज भेज रही हूँ, मुझे उनसे नेटवर्क करना है, so मैं let's say मैं उनको रात को like late evening मैसेज भेज रही हूँ, and which is not like working hours for them. So
Yes.
I tell them that like I'm working in US timing, so I'm like just mindful about it, and this is why like this is the reason I'm sending the message. Maybe it is like not your working hours, but this is why like I'm sending you message at this time. I hope it is not like causing you any inconvenience. So you can always be very selective about the words which you want to send, the message you want to
Yes.
write. Yeah. And so this is where you can network. And again, when it comes to in person, even so the people you have met, so जब आप उनसे connect कर रहे हैं, so it depends कि आप उनसे फिर like it okay, it depends that what is the number of frequency you are having of
Yes.
your conversations with that person. And um, again it depends, आप हमेशा एक टाइम और डेट सेट करें, आपने उनसे कोई भी कोलैबोरेशंस की बात करनी है, वर्क रिलेटेड, आप उनसे कोई गाइडलाइन लेना चाहते हैं, उनके
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
एक्सपीरियंस से कुछ सीखना चाहते हैं, rather like rather you are sending them message every day or you are sending them reminders, you can always have this very precise talk. So let's say if I want to hear back from Husna, and I will say, okay Husna, I want to talk about with you for PNY training,
Yes.
so can you reply me? Can you
Yes.
reply me in next 2 days something,
Yes.
or maybe
Yes.
I'll send you a reminder in next 2 days. So
Mm-hmm.
now this is like you are having very crisp and clear talk. And rather I'm sending Husna a reminder after every 6 hours that Husna, I didn't hear back from you. So
Mm-hmm.
give other people time at least 1 to 2 days, provided वो आपके साथ same time zone में हैं, because you do not know what they are dealing into and what they are working on right now.
Yes.
So आप at least उनको 2 से 3 दिन का time दें. उसके बाद yes, you can ask them कि can I send you the reminder about it? I understand you will be occupied. You are having your own commitments about the work. So this is how you can always sound professional, decent,
Yes.
and respectable. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, Madiha. This is very nice discussion कि हमने इतनी अच्छी बात की और आप इतनी प्यारी और आपने इतने प्यारे तरीके से बताया है. This is a very important thing जिस पे हमने बात की, क्योंकि ये चीजें ऐसी चीजें जो कि हमें एकेडमिक लाइफ में या वैसे भी कोई बताता नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट द थिंग कि ये हमें कोई बता सकता, और इतने ज्यादा अच्छे तरीके से कि पॉइंट टू पॉइंट हमने एक एक चीज के ऊपर बहुत थॉरली बात की है. तो ये चीजें जिनका इंटरेस्ट होता है, जो सच में सीखना चाहते हैं, ये वो क्या कहते हैं, वही समझते हैं या रिसर्च करते थे. बट थैंक्स टू द टेक्नोलॉजी के वी कनेक्ट एंड वी टॉक अबाउट सच काइंड ऑफ अ टॉपिक on the one-to-one session, and you are educating people. Keep educating them. Thank you so much. I'll thank you on the platform of PNY Pink and PNY Group of Company. Thank you so much for your time and having you in such a great evening. So jate jate, please share any kind of a quote or a line which motivates you, so it's help our audience. Might be someone who want kind of any kind of a words for the motivation, so it can be helpful for them. So please.
All right, definitely, Husna. So thank you so much, PNY Trainings and PNY Group overall and PNY Ping to have me. Thank you for coordinating this session. And yes, so my message for everyone is, and I believe which like most of the people know, and for me this is very important. So I always talk about it, that always follow your passion. So and find your purpose of your life, because every one person is every person is having a purpose, and you can find it if you want to make your life more meaningful and more fulfilled. And remember that following passion may not be easy, but it is of the worth. Because I always say that it is like a light or a flame which can when you are following your passion, it can brighten up the world.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So always follow your passion. Thank you.
Yeah.
This is my message. Yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच मदिया. इसी के साथ मुझे हुस्ना खान को इजाज़त दीजिए. PNY पिंक के प्लेटफॉर्म से फिर हाजिर होंगे एक नए गेस्ट और एक नए टॉपिक को लेकर. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा एंड डू फॉलो योर पैशन एंड कीप build your network, but in a positive and in a limitation manner, so it never hurt your sentiment and the other sentiment. So please keep rocking, stay blessed. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.